All right, now I'm looking at the passenger side fuel lines, fuel return line and brake line and vapor line. Pick it up from the proportional valve and run it over there. These top two guys is sitting kind of high. I don't think it will hit the oil pan. This one, the center line, which is the return line, wraps under the vapor line. There's the return line, comes out there. That's kind of close to the control arm. Another clamp would probably pull that down. And there you go. So added a clamp here because I can fit my whole hand under there. That's asking to rub in the downpipe. A little bit of bending here for this one. This one I had to, it would not get into the hole. This piece was actually, the bend was actually under here, so I had to push and squeeze and do a little manipulating, but I got it in there. Same over there. A lot of bending back in this area to get it on there. Hose are touching, I'll have to clearance them. And a lot of bending on these, as you can see. I've been rubbing on the paint and everything. So, but they're in there. They're tight. They're definitely not going anywhere. And there's the lines there up back. Got the shield off. We'll put some barricade fuel hose on it and some new clamps, and we'll call it done for the fuel line installation. The standpipes will go on later, and as you can see, the body bushings are already on the car. They will be, the frame is not ready to drop back down. So there you go. This is a Sunday afternoon work. All the fuel lines and brake lines are on there, with the exception of the lines that go up to the master cylinder and the left front wheel. We'll do those later.